Good morning, Facebook. I'm so excited. Today I decided to dress up. Check me out. Look at my socks. Oh, can I show it? Oh my gosh. Look, look. Oh well, I just had a student told me today that I look beautiful. Maybe I should dress up every day. Look, I got all my jewelry. What did you say about me, baby? Oh, say it louder. What did you say? I look what? I look what? So how did I look to you guys today? Are you serious? Oh, look, girls are hater. They're hater. That's all that is, though. I know I look good. Trying to dress it up. Raheem, come hold this for me. Hold this. Just like that so I can back up so they can see how I'm dressed. Stay right there. Stop. Look, looking all cute. You see that? Look. Oh. I love it. I know I look good. What? Oh, let me calm down, right? Yes, I am at work. At work. GPISD, that's how we do it. Look, Mr. Morales about to get jealous too, because I dressed him today. That's all. I dressed, I got a lot of haters today. But it's okay. Good morning. Look, I even put my makeup on halfway or whatever. I'm like, oh, but you know what? I was late this morning. I like to be on campus by 6:45. No later than 6:45 in the morning. Man, I was here like at 6:48. I was like, okay, look, that's because I'm dressed up. I'm dressed up. You probably say, why are you dressing up like that? It's anti-bully week. So we got to make sure that we encourage the kids not to bully. Be nice. And you know what? It's not just kids. We do have adults that bully. And we need to grow up and act like adults and be positive role model. Don't act like our presidential candidates, okay? So let's get it together, be nice, be kind, and love on someone today. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you. Y'all have a great day. Be the change in the world that you want to see, right? Okay, guys, have a blessed day. Yours truly, Regina, turned up, dressed up. What's up? And let me go ahead and stop this.